Welcome to the scorching sands, where camels and jeeps clash in a wild race for survival and dominance. Every year, warriors gather as the desert winds rise. The strongest fight under the sun, and only one leaves as champion. Turbo on the straights. Only the best survive its desert race. It's not about the road, it's about the driver. Show the desert who's boss. Arriva and Grain. Tiny Tintin. Alex.